Hi, I'm Benoit from the mountain of Switzerland, and today we rebuilt one of the assets in this sci-fi scene here. Today we rebuilt that star, the PrixalStar. So we do that like the rebuild of the PrixalStar. So this is that one in the center here, what we want to rebuild, and so I think we switch us, we quit here in Resolume Arena and we switch us quick to TiXL. And now we can look at that scene, and I must look where we have that PrixalStar. I think so, it must be somewhere in this region here. Here we have that PrixalStar, and if you download the asset folder, you have a folder, free assets, with this content, with this folders, GLTF, and we need from here just one thing, that is this Aurelius Gain 7 JPEG. So I show you step by step how we can do that. First, you need a sphere. So you click the top and you type in sphere, and you take the sphere mesh. You see we have that here, so I delete it, and with this sphere mesh it's nothing special. You see here in the parameters, this is the radius standard 1 point. Now I put this to a displacement mesh node, or and in this displacement mesh node you need that texture what I have loaded here. So this is bullshit type. So now, okay, you can just toggle here. Look at where is my mouse in the displacement mesh. You go to this displacement mesh, and then in the parameters you go to texture and you toggle on here and take the load image, and by the load image you search here, you click it here, and then you look in the path where it comes open to do the right way. So bullshit. No. not really. So then what you need as the next is a draw mesh. You also go by the tab, and or you can also put it just a line from here, and the draw mesh is normally that it in the front. So by the draw mesh you do the same, and you take set material. I will take that here, this set material, and here you see in the parameters I put it in that in the base color I put it also a load image in, and take the same image like before in the displacement mesh, and then you get this. From here you come to here and you get this. When you put it in this image to the set material, you get that. And now you go to next, and you take a line and you toggle in trans, and then you take transform, and I will take that here. The transform is here, and you see this transform have something here that is animated, and to animate that you go here on and you take the vector 3, and then you get that here, this vector 3. I put it back to the rotation and put it back in so we can see again. And if you have done that, then you go to the next. I have always troubles to remove that bullshit thing here. So I can remove it, no problem. So because I don't want to lose everything here. Now it lost everything, but anyway. Okay, then what you have to do here in this vector 3 is to toggle, and then you search for animate value, and there you go to the parameters and you change here from the ramp to the endless. And I was done that here in this piece, and here you see the parameters, what you have to do with the parameters, that you came to the same as like I have. You must put the amplitude to 38.1, and the rest I believe it was in the default. So we are here, and the next what you need is a render target. You can take that out here and you just switch to the render target, and then you got it. So this, I think it was the most. I just put it a bit to the side, to the left side, by a new transform. You can also do that like this, that you can transform it. You can transform that also later from the middle to this point in Arena self, but I was do that here, so it's up to you that you hang on. When you go out here, you can this is not the same transform that we have before, I believe so. Here you